Children, today I'm going to show you paper cutting pattern. So here I have taken two different colors of paper, and these are square shape of papers. Okay, these are square shape of paper, and I have taken two different color, yellow and red color. So first let's start making this paper cutting pattern. The first step is you have to take the square shape of paper and you have to fold it. Just a moment. Here I'll take this color. First you have to fold it properly to the left edge. So one folding is done, and the right side one, this right side one, you have to fold it again. So two folds are done, and again one more folding. So three foldings are done. Yes, so we have finished folding like this. Okay, so after this you have to draw some patterns on this. It may be any patterns, whatever the patterns you like, you can draw that pattern. See, I have drawn some the easy patterns, and just you have to just shade it. Okay, because should be able to know that where you have to cut the paper. Okay, so after drawing the patterns, here I'm using the small scissor and I'm going to cut the patterns. So you have to you should be know where you have to cut the paper, whether these patterns you have to cut or this outside paper you have to cut. Okay, so here we are going to cut only this part. Okay, so whatever we have shaded with the pencil, that part we have to cut. I'm so neat, children. Yes, next, the next pattern is so after this, if you cannot cut with the patterns like this, just you can fold it into half, then you can cut, so that it will be easy for you to cut the patterns. And try to draw a very easy pattern, children, because it should not be difficult for you to cut the paper. Okay, yeah, just a second. And you can just fold it, or else you can use cutter, but I suggest not to use cutter. Okay, use small scissor, that is fine. Okay, so we can cut easily. So the remaining thing, just by using cutter you can cut it off. So you can do n number of patterns, children, so it will be very nice. Yeah, we have one more pattern here, we'll cut it off. Yeah, then the inside part you can remove it off. Yes, we have finished cutting, so we will just open the paper and we'll see children, how beautifully it has come. Look here. So after doing this, just take some dark background, because as this is very light color, yellow is the light color, so the background should be dark. So take the background color dark and just you can staple it off, or you can use this glue stick in the corners. Just you can apply some glue and you can paste it on the dark background. You have to paste it on the dark background. And slowly you have to give a pressure and paste it. So it will be very nice, children. Please do practice and give a try, and next class you have to show me. Yes, thank you so much.